Hey everybody, it's Jodi and we are back with another new episode of the Great North American Stampin' Show. This is actually season 8, episode 6. We have 2 more weeks after this and then we're taking a little break. So we've got some really fun things planned and we can finally show you the inside of our brand new catalog that just started this week, and we're so excited to dive in with new products, new layouts, and this awesome new catalog. So let's go ahead and get started. There are so many pages I would like to flip through and show you in our brand new catalog, but I actually did a whole separate video, catalog tour video. So if you want to check that out, look in the description here for a link and you can see as I flip through page by page. But for tonight's challenge, we are on page 38 and these are the different card layouts. And so I decided to focus on this one here. So things I noticed about this was that there was designer paper on the top half and it went the full length. Oftentimes we do designer paper and leave a border around the edge, but this one is the full 4 1/4 inches. And then it's a solid cardstock on the bottom. There's a focal point here. And then the greeting here is kind of chopped apart. And so that's what I wanted to focus on with the design that I came up with for tonight. So I'm using a brand new stamp set and coordinating punch. So this is called Exciting Times. And then there's this coordinating punch I'll use for a couple of different things. So we'll keep that handy. And then I'm also using some new in colors. So these are all of my supplies. I've got a lemon lime twist card base. It's a pretty bright color, but I liked this combination. Lemon lime twist, we've had this color a while. And then this is the new Hydrangea Hue. And this is some of our designer paper. It's in all of the different in colors, actually all of our colors, but this is from the in color package. So that'll go up here just like the sample had. And then this is Crisp Cantaloupe. This is actually a returning color. We had this color, gosh, years ago. I don't remember how many, but this is a gorgeous color, pinkish, orangish, just gorgeous color. So we're gonna use that. And then I have a little strip of the Hydrangea Hue, a little bit of Crisp Cantaloupe ribbon, and then some basic white. So what do I want to do to get started? I am going to pull in this image here and the Lemon Lime Twist ink pad. And we'll do a couple of things with this. So first I'm going to tap it and then stamp straight down and up. Can I fit it this way? Nope, let's do it this way. I'm going to stamp that border. And then I'm going to take the card base and I'm just going to do a little pattern. So it's pretty irregular. It's not going to be perfect. If you wanted it to be more perfect, you can certainly use the stamp positioner tool. That's a great tool. I just don't need it to be perfect. So I'm just doing it like this. And we'll do a couple more. I'm not sure if you're even gonna see these up here, but we'll give it a shot. It's just a tone-on-tone lemon lime twist ink on lemon lime twist cardstock. So next we will go ahead and attach the designer paper at the top. And like I said, the unexpected part on this is that it's the full 4 1/4 inches. Oftentimes we like offset it like that, right? Only 4 inches and have a little border around it. But this time it's going the whole length of the card. So that's right across the top. I'm gonna see if I can scoot it up just a little bit more up here. There we go, that's better. So that goes across the top. And then I'm going to take that little strip of Hydrangea Hue and just add some adhesive on the back of that and put this across the very bottom of that polka dot designer paper. I kind of liked that solid look right there just to break up the 2 colors a little bit. So that's what I've got so far. Very similar to that page, that sample rather, in the catalog. So some designer paper on top, more solid looking on the bottom. So let's work on the focal point next. This is going to be the fun part. So I'm going to pull in the Crisp Cantaloupe. I need to show you this ink pad because it's new. All of our new ink colors are a brand new ink pad design, and it's magnetic. You can hear it. So easy to open. This just flips off. Your ink pad is right there, ready to go. So this is crisp Cantaloupe ink on crisp Cantaloupe cardstock. And I'm making that frame. And I will go ahead and do a couple of things here. So this, I'll hold the punch upside down, line it up, and pop that right out. So I'm just getting an even border around the edges. Squeeze that, pop it out, super easy. Now this, there's a couple of different things that you can do with this. If I wanted to, I could go like that and pop out that border, which would be cool. It's got that, the inner rectangle is what I would get. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take this, and it's a super easy cut because it's straight lines. I'm just going to use my scissors and quickly cut this frame out. Okay, scoot that aside. So I'll just kind of pull in some of the different pieces here. Now what you can do is lay this over here, and it's nice because you've got that border around the edge. What I'm going to do is actually flip this and use it this way and use this piece like this. So instead of putting them how you might expect, layering how they naturally fit, we're just going to rotate that one and just create a little bit of a bigger focal point. So I'll scoot this aside just for a moment, pull in my white scrap one more time, and pull in some of the greetings that were in the Exciting Times stamp set, and the Hydrangea Hue, another new ink pad design. I think you're going to absolutely love these and how easy they are to use. I'm going to stamp Let's Celebrate, and you did it. I'm going to do that one more time. That one's better. Okay, now what's also cool is when you have these, not only does the lid, attach really easily because of that magnet, but they also attach to each other. So that makes it pretty cool too when you're stacking them on your shelf. Okay, now if you remember, that sample had some cut apart pieces, right? The greeting wasn't just like this all together. They were tiny little pieces. And so we're going to duplicate that by cutting these two apart. Again, you could probably do this in a more precise way, but I'm totally okay with just eyeballing it like that. I'm going to trim the edges a little bit. Okay, I'm not okay with that. How it goes up so far, I gotta fix that. Okay. So we'll add that, and then Celebrate. And then I used that other greeting. You did it, but all I'm going to do is use the word you. So we're going to put on this card, Let's Celebrate You. And that will be our greeting. All right, so let me get all these little pieces out of the way, and then we can grab this and attach these pieces. Now I'm going to pull in my sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals, and these little pieces along the edge work great for attaching small pieces like this. So I'll start with this one kind of in the middle, angled slightly. And then go back around and take some more edge pieces. Put it on the back of Let's. And we'll attach this up here, overlapping just slightly. And then I need to go back over to this side and get a couple edge pieces and put it on the back of You. And then we'll add this just down here at the bottom and have it overlap just a little bit on that corner. So this is our focal point. Let's celebrate you. And we will add that onto the crisp cantaloupe frame like this. And then I have some crisp cantaloupe ribbon, and I'm just quickly going to tie. I like to leave it right on the spool and just tie a bow, which hopefully will work out. Let's see, that just flips. Nope, I think we just need to start over. That's okay. Wrap it around, come up. That's better. All right. And then I'll just go ahead and trim the ends. And then we can add that here. And this is one of the new in color gems. These are just in color dots is what these are called. All 5 of our new in colors. I'd love to hear which of the new in colors you are enjoying the most. I'm using the Hydrangea Hue and Crisp Cantaloupe on this project. There's also Golden Glow, Barely Blush, and Peaceful Pine. They're all really, really gorgeous colors. I'm just gonna take one of these and put it right here, just so your eye is drawn even more to this focal point. Now, you might have noticed that I didn't attach all of these pieces because what I want to do is show you just a side-by-side. Do you spot the obvious difference? What I did was I took some Hydrangea Hue cardstock and the punch one more time and just popped out the punch in this color and just slid it underneath like this. I feel like that made a huge difference in drawing your eye to that focal point. Let me take it out again so you can compare. Which of these two do you like the most? Does this draw your eye in like it does mine? Or do you prefer this one? Let me know in the comments which one you like better. So this is what I've got for you for today. Be sure that you go through and watch the other 3 videos. Come back and give a thumbs up vote to the one that you enjoy the most. Be sure to take a look at all of the information in the description here. There's a lot going on right now with our new catalog and new in colors, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.